Hi guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download or install Twilight Chronicle right on your PC. To install this Android game on your PC, you have to use an Android emulator, for example LD Player or BlueStacks. You can easily install it from their official website. For example LD Player, just download it right here and install it on your PC. Or BlueStacks or another one. After that, just launch this application on your PC just by clicking on this icon, and then you will see this window. So finally, you can use this application as your phone. Just install any applications. For example, you can go to Play Store or Google Chrome and install the app you need. For example, let me show you how to install Twilight Chronicle. Firstly, open up Play Store. Of course, you have to log into your account. Then type here the name of the game, Twilight Chronicle in our case. Then click on it, and here you will see the install button. So click on the install button, and after the installation process, you will see here the play button, or just go back to your desktop and find the games icon right here. Click on it to launch the game, and finally you can start playing this game right on your PC. Let's sign in with, as guest, next time, and click on start game. Oh, we have to download an update, and here it is. So finally I can start playing it. Yeah, here is the short tutorial about this game. So that's all for today. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.